Welding and hot work. Welding introduces different types of hazards into the workplace. Click Next to continue. Today you will learn employer and employee requirements. Types of hazards related to welding, cutting and grinding. How to control hot work hazards. And gas cylinder safe use. Employer requirements. Employers are required to establish areas for welding, cutting, and grinding. They must designate an individual responsible, usually a supervisor, for authorizing welding and cutting operations. They must advise all contractors about flammable materials. And they must train employees in all aspects of grinding work. Employers must also train and prove employees are competent to take charge of the oxygen or fuel gas supply equipment such as generators and oxygen or fuel distribution piping systems. Employers must know the hazards related to welding and hot work. And they must know the safety controls and how to use them.